Good day, gentlemen. Just a short video today to let you know about the rest of the touring season for the Natural Lifestyles for 2023. So we have a few more workshops left that you may be interested in joining. Coming up on the 17th through to the 20th of August, I will be holding a 4-day live seduction workshop right here in Budapest, Hungary. The city is jumping full of hot girls from all around the world, plus the very cute locals. And this is your chance for the Europeans out there to join myself and the Natural Lifestyles team for 4 intense days of training. So these infield workshops are the best of their type in the world. They include lots and lots of hours of us going out infield and talking to women. With a hidden microphone attached to you, don't worry, we've never been caught, we just stuff them on the inside. Listening in on your conversations and then coming back to coaches and getting extremely specific real-time feedback. Because if you don't know what you are doing wrong when it comes to going and meeting women that you've never met before, going and approaching strangers, then you can end up banging your head against a wall, repeating the same mistakes over and over again. And unfortunately, a lot of guys end up giving up because the beginner phases of learning street approach, natural seduction, day game are not always fun. Because you have to deal with the awkwardness, you have to deal with rejection, you have to deal with that fear of running out of things to say, the worries about worthiness, the anxieties, the fears. Myself and the TNL team have been working on these problems with men from all around the world for the last 15 years, and we know how to solve them in 4 days flat. So if you'd like to find out more about the Budapest workshop, click the link in the description. You can get on a call with us, have a chat with Ryan or Alex for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, talk about your issues, about what you want to achieve, your goals. No obligation at all. And if you'd like to join us, we've got a couple of spots left. What else? And for our American fans, I'm very excited to announce that we have a 4-day workshop coming up in New York City from the 14th until the 17th of September. This will be led by myself and co-taught by my good friend and longtime collaborator, Mr. John Keegan, who is New York, if not America's greatest infield dating coach. This is a man who's been doing this for as long as I have, over 15 years, with thousands of hours of experience taking guys one-on-one on the street. So this is going to be a high-intensity and probably hilarious workshop where myself and John will be taking a crew of guys around the streets of Manhattan practicing the fine art and science of natural style seduction and day game. What else? Final workshop that I'll be running this year is the Sex God Masterclass, running from the 23rd until the 29th of October right here in Budapest. Now, the Sex God Masterclass is the world's only hands-on 7-day high-intensity training on becoming a master lover. So we cover with a team of very sexy, open-minded assistants who will be joining us for the course every area of sexuality that you need to master in order to become literally a world-class lover. This includes the subtle aspects of frequency-based or tantric sex through to the broad toolkit of what makes a guy kick ass in bed in terms of like good, normal sex, right through to the darker, nastier arts of BDSM. Nothing like this course exists anywhere else on the planet. It is your only chance to have world-class sex teachers monitoring you and assisting you in real time as you get to practice all of the techniques on real live and very, very sexy women. There is literally only one spot left. It's been very popular and sold very quickly this year on account of the Master Lover Method online course. Lots of guys wanted to get their hands on and practice this in real life. So there's one spot left, and if you're interested, better click the link below, get on a call with us because it's going to sell fast. And after that, I'll be going into hibernation, going to pick the olives on my olive farm and work on some weird funk tracks or the many other things that I love doing. And then you won't have a chance to train with us until spring of next year. So let's be real. If you've gone through 2023 up until this point and your dating life has sucked, it's time to take action. The apps do not work for the average man. You cannot just wait and hope that fate is going to deliver a woman of your dreams to you. And it doesn't help to hate on women and to try and boycott them altogether, because most of us would prefer to spend time with gorgeous, sexy ladies, either in casual or in serious relationships or friendships, to have feminine energy in their life. And for many men, the only way that you can do that is to learn the correct art, science, and methodology of going and meeting strangers. You need to be able to get enough repetition, to get enough volume through your funnels, essentially, in order to be able to have choice in your dating life. It doesn't happen overnight. Anyone who's promising you get pussy quick schemes is lying to you. We've never said that. We've always said that it requires hard work, it requires discipline, it requires you to look at the areas of yourself that you're scared of, to face your fears, your anxieties, to deal with the defenses of your ego, And all of that is doable, and all of that is absolutely worth it, because on the other side of that is social freedom and is sexual abundance and choice. So that's all I got to say for today. If you're interested in getting on a call and having a chat with us, this is completely obligation free. You can tell us about what your issues are. We can see if our workshops are a good fit for you. And as I said, we've only got 2 infield and 1 sex workshop left for the year. After that, you're on your own until next year. So do not delay, do not let another year slip away in obscurity, in loneliness, in frustration, in hoping and waiting, because none of that is masculine, none of that is proactive, and it doesn't get results. What does is learning how to go up and talk to girls, get their numbers, ask them out on dates, start a sexual relationship, and from there you're on your own. We know how to do that. We've been doing it for well over a decade. We are the last men standing in this industry who have any integrity and actually get results. So if you'd like to join us for one of our last workshops for the year, get on a call, and otherwise, see you in the next video. Peace out.